Good morning.
Good morning, good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, you guys. This is Clarksville with Sarah.
And Chris.
I want to talk to you about a little bit of our calendar and what's going on this month. Also, this month is quilt month, so we have amazing deals on long arms, on Bernina feet, and more. But I do want to kind of talk to you. We have, if you have a new embroidery machine, we have a new owner's embroidery on the 20th, and we also have a new owner's sewing on the 18th. So if you have a new machine, definitely get signed up for those. And then we also have this event. It's the paper piecing with Sarah Diddy. That's super popular. It's going to be super fun. It's going to be a great hit. Sign up. It's $129, and it's going to be a great ball.
Lots of people are going to be.
Yeah.
Also, I wanted to mention about our cleaning products. As we all know, it's spring cleaning, time to clean. We have the best stain removers. Anything you can think of, we have it. This is our Gone Citrus. Where is my permanent marker here?
Yeah.
Jen, if you want to put the camera down here. Here is a permanent Sharpie. We're going to go ahead and hit it with the stain remover. Look at that. This works perfect if you've got your girlfriends over, you're all having wine, spaghetti, whatever, you get it on your pretty blouse. Hit it with the Gone Citrus. We also have Floorworks. Smells wonderful. Definitely works great, better than anything I've ever used. Of course, we have the sheen for your bathroom windows, anything like that. Your mirrors. It's a great cleaning product. And then, of course, if you want to put that beautiful shine on those floors, we got the shine. So come check us out. We do have some promotions on cleaning supplies. If you mention this ad, you'll get 20% off. Also, spring cleaning. Time to pull those vacuum cleaners out. They probably haven't been serviced for a while. Mention this ad and receive 20% off on your repair. Again, let's see. Just come on and see us. And we are also going to be bringing in some really cool mops as well, made by Nellie's, which is a really good product. On the cleaning supplies, if you buy any 3, you'll get 1 free. So that's perfect. And then let's show them some new modeled vacuums. So we have our Ricard lineup. We have our Sebos. We have our Milas. It's a great time to buy. We have some great promotions, great sales going on. And then, of course, we have our beautiful fabrics. Do you want to show around and
show you some of our fabrics? Here is our Tula Pinks, all in this section right here. So we have our Tula Pinks. What we have new is over here. Let me kind of show you. It's out front, and we have a ton of fabric, you guys. We have 2,500 bolts. So we can definitely find out what you need. So our new selection is right out front. And I showed you this also in the previous video. So we have cute little kits that make up super cute. Some cute Disney fabric. So you have Winnie the Pooh, Eeyore. So those make out really cute. We have just a bunch of fun stuff. We have this book panel. That is super cute. And then we also have a book panel right here. It's a dinosaur book panel. So let me just kind of show you. It's this dinosaur book panel. And it is super cute, you guys. So we have a bunch of different panels, a bunch of different fabrics on sale, and we're really happy to have you and everything.
And definitely just come on in, stop in, say hello. We love to see our customers.